So for this project there is only one thing you really need, and that is going to be yogurt. You can also use buttermilk, and if you have the option, choose low fat. This makes the drying process a lot easier and faster. So the rest I'm going to show you is optional, and something that could really be helpful is a roller and some kind of container to put the yogurt in. But as I said, this is optional, and to remove it afterwards, if you're done with it, just some water, a rag and a towel. So I got everything prepared right now, and I'm going to do them one by one so you can see the difference. And in case you were wondering, or not wondering, yes, you can add food coloring to the yogurt. I want to give it a minute for the sun to dry up the yogurt, and we'll go for a second coat. So even though we are not finished and the window still doesn't look very good, you can already see by the shadow what a big difference the yogurt makes. So as you can see, this is what I applied with my hands without using a towel or a rag or anything, as you saw in the video, and you can clearly see that it's still nice and evenly diffused. Even though you don't have the roller, the result is still nice. So let me show you how to remove this. So this has been dried out for over a few weeks now, and as you can see, you can just scrape it off with your nail, but I'm going to use a towel. So I would like to thank everyone for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video, learned something, found it useful, and I will see you in the next video.